of the ideas is, and you can see it's a really nice spline, right? But the problem is no one likes to build splines. So one of the things we have done is we typically try to force an arc or like a cone-shaped panel into this thing, but then accept that we have a little bit of a kink. So no one really cares if, we have this panel. So these are 2 mullions in plan of a facade geometry, so no one really cares if this is 180 degrees or 179.8, right? But by forcing an arc into this, we can make a relatively simple panel that can be fabricated. And this is a curtain wall example of the plan geometry. And so I'll show you a video how that looks like. So one of the problems of when we do these optimizations is that we typically, when you lose the ideal geometry, you typically have to choose what you want to optimize for. That's one of the challenges. So in this particular instance, you can see there are 2 different solutions that look fairly close, but one is closer to the slab edge, so you keep closer to the original geometry, whereas the other one is reducing the actual kinks within that panel. And here you can just see how these models look like. You can see how it slowly converges towards a solution that is ideal for whatever we're doing. And you may imagine that maybe that this is an ideal tool for doing that. And you can see how it slowly converges and the overall angle is basically reduced. And there we found the ideal solution, and obviously this is just a part of the building. We'll repeat this for every single floor. But then the question is, well, this is in Rhino right now, right? So how do we get it somewhere else? And this is where the part that